Hi there, it's Sam from poodles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today's project is this one. On a technicality, it's just one of these boxes, but I have made these amazing 3-2-1, 1-2-3 boxes. That's what I call them, because it's 1 inch by 2 inches by 3 inches, or 3 inches by 2 inches by 1 inch. I love them, absolutely love them. You can fill them with treats like that, and you can have them flat like this. I've made 10 of them to spell a word. This one's got a little flower in it, or spell a phrase I should say. It says summer fun. It is the full rainbow. Obviously I can't get it all on, but it is the full rainbow, sort of. You get the idea. But it is the full rainbow of our Brights collection. You could stand them upright like that and create little phrases. You could put anything you like, and they are the perfect size for the large letters alphabet. Now let me see if I'm good with the colours. So we've got Flirty Flamingo, Melon Mambo, Poppy Parade, Mango Melody, Daffodil Delight, Granny Apple Green, Coastal Cabana, Bermuda Bay, Pacific Point and Gorgeous Grape. So those are the 10 colours from our Brights collection. And it did take me a while to make all 10, but you know, I couldn't make one and say imagine, so I made all 10. Because I actually was planning to make the Flirty Flamingo one on camera, and then I thought I can't start it saying not the full word. So I've made it, but I'm going to remake that one for you because it's S for Sam as well. Okay, let me move all of those out of the way. So you can make 2 boxes from each sheet of cardstock, regular cardstock, because it's 9 inches by 4 inches. So that's a sheet of cardstock, and I've got where's the other bit? So that is a full sheet of cardstock. Cut it down at 4 inches in the middle. There's a cat fight going off to one side. And then cut it off at 4 inches by 9 inches so you can get 2. They're sat on my other desk chair and they've just had a fight and fallen off. And why is the sun now streaking through that bit? It's not meant to. Let me see if I can cover it up a little bit. That's better. Ish. Okay, no, that's no good at all. There's sun. We can manage without it. Manage with that. Right, so on the long side, and all of the measurements will be on my blog, so it's 22.5 centimetres by 10 centimetres, 9 by 4. On the long side, score it at 1, 4, 5 and 8, which in metric is 2.5, 10, 12.5 and 20. Turn it round and score it at 1 inch and 3 inches, which in metric 2.5 and 7.5. So what I did when I made my 10 was I cut everything down to size, and then let me move myself off the sun. Look at that lovely glorious day. I cut everything, and then I burnished everything, scored everything, then I burnished everything, and then I trimmed everything, and then I did all my die cutting, and then I did all my trimming, and then I did all my gluing, and then I put it all together right at the end. So holding it this way, you've got 6 little squares cut straight up the side of the rectangle and wedge in. And if you saw on my Facebook page, I took a picture of all of the trimmings, and a few people said I ought to put them in a shaker card or collect them together and use them as a background. I didn't, I put them in the bin, but I like the idea. Okay, so, oh, that's a better pair of scissors. So yes, all these little trimmings with all the rainbow colours all over my desk. Oh, what's that? That's blue stuck on there. You could make any words, you could put any rainbow of colours, you could make it actually with DSP, but I don't know that the letters would stand out as much. Unless you did solid colour as the box, and then your black letters, and you could put perhaps DSP just behind that panel. Not sure. You could. Right, gluing down the sides. I'm just going to use my fuse. I don't know where it is. There it is. Because your time is precious too. I want you to go off and make loads of these straight away. Form words. But tear and tape would work too. And oh no, I need to die cut my letter first. Oh well, I've done it now. I was going to say I need to die cut my letter first, but well, I've done it now. With the part that's going to be the top, firmly burnish again, because otherwise it tends to gape. Now this was my first one and I didn't do it and it gapes a little bit, but by the time I got to the end I was firmly burnishing, no gapage. That is such a technical word. Okay. And to die cut your letters, you need a piece of cardstock that measures 2 3/4 by 1 3/4 inches, 7 by 4.5. You need your magnetic platform, your first cutting plate, your piece of cardstock, and then the amazing large letters. Just brilliant, and they are large, which is perfect for this. So position it on, have your S the right way round. The S has got a very slightly smaller bit there than there at the top. And not that it makes a difference, but it does when you're like me. I don't know what that sound is out there. I worry about what my cats get up to. So my big shot is just up to one side. They've just broken something. Well, maybe they haven't broken something, but something's just crashed to the floor. Pop that out. I would say with one of the letters, the R, you do need to keep hold of the centre part. I only want the outer bit. You could do, and actually I didn't think of it at the time, you could have these as freestanding display. Put those away properly in a second. So they're upright like that, but then you could also make a garland and use the same colours but put the other letters on. Yeah, see? Always thinking on the go. Okay, and so dimensionals, some will fit in corners, others won't. So you'll need to start trimming the edges. But they pretty much fit. There we go. And with mine, because it was 2 words and I didn't want them to run on together and I wanted to separate them, where is it? S-U, whoopsie. This is the one. I wanted to have something to separate the letters. If it was one long word that had 10 letters, that would be great. Or it could be, where's my U gone? Where's the U? There it is. It could be that you've maybe only got 8 letters. You could put a couple of flowers at the end. But what I did is I used the 4-petal flower punch and then just put that in put a gem in the middle. I think that's a lot of fun. And like I say, you could have them standing out. I haven't photographed them yet, but my plan is to have them photographed like that so you can see them. And you get a lovely display. But I really, really like these. I love making rainbows. This is going to have to sit on my rainbow shelf, isn't it? It's going to take up all the space, but I just love it. But you have summer fun. You could do a whole load of blues and silvers and have winter fun, or you could have Christmas time or whatever, baby shower. You could have blues if it was a boy, pinks if it was a girl. Anything goes, but I love them and I hope you do too. Thank you ever so much for joining me. Bye.